Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. Today we would like to talk about how to change your text in proper case to uppercase to lowercase. Okay, so there are many ways to do that. So we'll be looking all those things, but here's something you're gonna learn, something new, something different, which probably you won't see in any other video. So stick until last, and if you like the video, share your comments and subscribe to my Excel Homemade Tutorial channel for more updates. So the first trick everybody knows, I believe, that is a formula called proper. You type proper, press tab, select the text and close bracket. That's all, very simple, and drag it down. Now it is in proper format. Okay, as it is, everything is in proper format. Now the same thing you can do it for the next. Proper, tab, you select it, close bracket, enter, and you drag it down. Okay, like that, simple. Now let's delete this. We need to make it in a lowercase, so equals lower, and then of course you need to select and press enter. Now as you can see, it's in the lowercase. Everything or every word is in lowercase. Same you can do here, equals lower, okay, and bracket close. Easy, right? So uppercase, lowercase and proper case. Now the same thing you can do in uppercase if your text is in lowercase. What if you want to change the whole thing in one time? So for that there are two ways to do. One I would like to show you is very easy and very good. So you select the data, anything, whatever you have, Control E, just copy the data and open the Word. Okay, here there is Word is open, so you need to just paste the data, and then again you select all, press Shift F3. Now it's in the lower case. Now press Shift F3, it's in the proper case. You can copy the same data from here and paste in your Excel. Okay, example, I'm going to paste it here. As you see, easy peasy, right? Simply you paste the data from Excel to Word and press Shift F3 to change from upper to lower to proper case, and vice versa. Then you copy paste the data and paste it simply in Excel sheet. So this is how you can do it. Okay, for example, if you want to use this data to change in a uppercase, okay, so one formula simply is upper, as we have already seen before lower. Okay, example, you can just try it here, equals upper, select the text, any, doesn't make difference, press enter. So as you see, it's in a uppercase itself. What if you don't want to use the formula and you want to use the same column instead? Means you want to change this without using any formula. So there is another way to do it. One, as I saw you earlier, you need to copy and paste in the Word and then press Shift F3. Another, you need to just change the font. Go to the font here and pick the font which is, of course, shows in a uppercase. There are fonts which will change your data in uppercase without any making much change in your, like this. Okay, this is all uppercase. Now you can just change, make it bold, or this is how also you can print if you want your data from lowercase or proper case to uppercase. So that's how the cases are changed from proper to lower to upper. So this is how the cases works in Excel. So there are three tricks. Number one, you can either change your font type, and number two, you can use the formula proper, upper or lower. Number three, you copy paste to Word or the Excel your data and press Shift F3. That's all for video. We'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye, take care. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.